Think editing PDFs is tricky or expensive? Not anymore. Today I'm showing you how to edit PDFs for free. No subscriptions, no hassle, just simple, effective tools to get the job done. Whether it's forms, resumes, or just like this, a planner, this tutorial has you covered. So I will recommend to you three applications that will actually get the job done. So for our first application, we have I love PDF, and then just put in here editor, and then from in there, you should be able to see this I love PDF link where it will allow you to edit your PDF online. So let's click onto this first link right here, and then just click onto the select PDF file. And then once you have done that, we just need to upload the PDF that we have right here into this particular site. So let's click on it, and then let's head over right here to our downloads and add it right here. Now it will upload it right there, so just wait a few seconds, and in here you should be able to use the toolbar to modify or add text if you want. So for example, for here we have in here this one. So for example, you can annotate this using anything that you want. You can add in here a text, an image, draw, or also add a shape. However, if you want to edit the actual content of this one, you need to click onto this edit option, but this one is a premium feature, so we can just edit this PDF using the annotation. So for my second suggestion, did you know that Canva has a PDF editor? Now let's head over and search for Canva PDF editor right here, and we have in here our Canva. Now that we have done that, it should be able to redirect us to our Canva account, wherein we can upload that particular PDF from in here. So as you can see, we just need to upload the file and then select the file from the list, and then we should be able to edit it. So let's upload the file in here again, and then just wait for a few seconds for it to actually open this in Canva and let us edit it. So as you can see, it has created a design on Canva with our actual planner. So here's our PDF with 10 pages, and we can now see it right here. Now let me zoom in, and then as you can see, it actually allows us to edit what's added right here. So for example, let's change planner into journal. And then as you can see, I have successfully edited it. So I can also remove some elements if I want to. I just need to click on the element and then click onto this trash can icon. Now I can hover to other pages and then, for example, change the color of them right here. Just click onto the color and then change them to the one that you want in order to change its whole appearance. So let's change that into something like this one, and as you can see, it's now been changed. So you can actually pretty much do anything that Canva has to offer in order to change up or edit this PDF that you would want. It will also work on Word PDF or any document that has been saved as a PDF. You can attach signatures, draw, add elements, images, and anything that you want added. Now for our third and last tool, we'll be using the Microsoft Edge. So just head over right here to your search bar. This is because it's already integrated into your account or into your device if you have a Windows. So just click on this open option in order to open it. Now what we can do is we need to just upload right here the actual PDF from there. Go over to your files and then just attach or drop it right here, and it should be able to be open. So in here, we should be able to see in here the actual PDF. Just wait for it a few seconds, and here it is right here. So for this one, as you can see, we can add some text, annotate, read it out loud, and draw. However, if you want to edit the actual content, like for example, let's change Journal into Planner again, head over and click on this Edit with Acrobat. So you can head over and start a free trial. Take note that this is free because it's just a free trial, and you can just unsubscribe if you want and you don't need it anymore. So that is some of the things that you can do in order to actually edit out any PDF. So the best bet we have right now is editing it using Canva. Out of the three, Canva is the best for this particular task. So that's all for today, and thank you so much for watching. To help you put what you've learned into action, I've created this resource right here, and I put the download link in the description box below. You can head over and download it if you're your own in order to test out your skills. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and share this with someone who could benefit from this idea. And before you go, make sure to check out my Canva playlist. It's packed with tutorials and ideas to inspire your next project. See you in the next video and happy creating!